Hello everybody. Today I solve some MCQ of solution chapter which come in JEE main entrance examination in the previous year. In this exam, each year one or two questions come in solution chapter. So this solution chapter is important for JEE main exam. Now my first problem is now K2HgI4 is 40% ionized in aqueous solution. The value of its Van Top factor is there are four options. This question came in JEE Main exam in 2019. Now the solution is we know degree of dissociation alpha is equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Now value of alpha is 0.4 because it is said that K2HgI4 undergoes 40% ionization. So alpha is 0.4 and on dissociation of K2HgI4 it can form 2K plus cation and 1 HgI4 2 minus anion. So overall 3 ions will form, so values of n is 3. Putting this value in this equation we get I is 1.8. Now this shows that option B is correct one. My second problem is a solution prepared by dissolving of 0.6 gram of glucose and 1.8 gram of 0.6 gram of urea and 1.8 gram of glucose in 100 ml water at 27 degrees centigrade. So the osmotic pH solution is the four option. This question also came in JEE main exam 2019. The solution is now according to question, if this question draw by picture, then we show that volume of the solution is 100 ml which contain 0.6 gram urea and 1.8 gram of glucose. Now 100 ml solution contain 0.6 gram urea, so 1000 ml solution contain 0.1 mole of urea. So concentration of urea is 0.1 mole. Similarly, concentration of glucose is 0.1 mole. We know pi equal to RCT. Here, since two solute are present, so the equation is concentration of U plus concentration of glucose, overall concentration, into T. Putting this appropriate value of R, concentration of urea, and concentration of glucose and temperature, we get the values of pi of 4.926 atmosphere, which is option C. So the correct option is C. My next problem is a solution containing 62 gram of ethylene glycol in 250 gram of water is cooled up to minus 10 degrees centigrade. If kf of water is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole, then amount of water separated as ice 32, 48, 64 or 16 gram. This question came in JEE main exam 2019 in 9th January. Now if we draw a picture according to question, we get now according to questions W1 is 250 gram water, and out of in this 62 gram ethylene glycol add to it. We know molecular weight of ethylene glycol is 62, so M2 is 62. Now given the solution is cooled up to minus 10 degrees centigrade, that means T dash F is given minus 10 degrees centigrade. So del Tf is plus 10 degrees centigrade. We know del Tf is equal to Kf into 1000 W2 by W1 M2. Putting all the values, we get the calculator of the values of W1 is 186 gram. That means in this situation 186 gram water is present, but actually we add 250 gram water. Now rest of the water converts to ice. So amount of water separated as ice is 64 gram, so it is option C. Now, the next problem is the amount of sugar required to prepare 2 liter point 1 molar aqueous solution. This is the option. This question came in JEE Main exam 2019. We know molecular weight of sucrose is 342. It is very important. If 1000 ml solution contain 342 gram of sucrose, then its strength is 1 m. This equation known as VMS rule. V for volume, which is 100 ml. M for mass, which is molecular 342. S for strength, which is 1 m. Now rearranging this, we write 1000 ml 1 molar sucrose solution contain 342 gram sucrose. So 2000 ml 0.1 molar solution contain 68.4 gram sucrose. So the correct option is B now. The next problem is at room temperature 360 gram water containing 0.6 gram of urea. If the vapor pressure of the pure water at this temperature is 35 mm of Hg, then lowering of vapor pressure will be, there are 4 options. This question also came in JEE Main 2019 exam. Now the solution is, in this question, in 360 gram of water having molecular weight 18.6 gram urea dissolved having molecular weight 60. Now from question P0 is 35 mmHg. Now we have to calculate P0 minus P. For this reason, at first P will be calculated, then P0 minus P is calculated. Now we know P0 minus P by P0 is equal to N2 by N1 plus N2. Putting the values all of this, we get values of P is 34.9825. So lowering of vapor pressure will be 0.0175 mm of Hg. So option C is correct one. Now the next problem is 1 gram of non-volatile non-electrolyte solute is dissolved in 100 gram of two different solvents A and B, whose evolutionary constant are in the ratio of 1:5. Then the ratio of the elevation of the boiling point is 5:1, option 2 10:1, option 3 1:5, option D 1:0.2. This question came in JEE Main 2019 exam. Now, according to question, 100 gram solvent contain 1 gram solute A and 100 gram solvent contain 1 gram solute of B. So, from these two pictures, we can see that molar concentration of these two solutions are equal. We know del Tb is equal to Kb into m. For solvent A, equation 1 is come, and solvent B, equation 2 is come. By dividing 2 by 1, 1 by 2, we get 1 by 5. So triangle TB of A is to triangle TB of B is 1.5. So option C is the correct one. Now my next problem is, molar depression constant for a solvent is 4 Kelvin kg mole inverse. So the depression in freezing point of solvent for 0.03 mole per kg solution of K2SO4 is 0.18 Kelvin, 0.36 Kelvin, 0.12 Kelvin and 0.24 Kelvin. This question came in JEE Main 2019 exam. Assume K2SO4 undergoes complete deoxidation. So now for complete deoxidation of K2SO4, which acts as an electrolyte, so the values of Van't factor is 3 and given molar concentration is 0.03 and also given 4 Kelvin kg mole inverse. putting the equation del TF is equal to I into Kf into M, we get the values of del TF is 0.03 Kelvin, which is option B1. So the correct option is B. The next question is, question is, the osmotic pressure of a dilute solution of an ionic compound of XY is 4 times than that of a solution of 0.1 molar of BaCl2. Calculate the concentration of XY in mole per liter unit. Assume both are electrolyte undergoes complete deaciation. This question came in JEE Main 2019 exam. Then the solution is, now we know pi is equal to RCT. So pi of XY is equal to I into CRT, equation 1. According to questions, the electrolyte undergoes complete deaciation. So for Xi, values of I is 2, and for BaCl2, values of I is 3. And concentration of BaCl2 also given. Now, according to question, osmotic pressure of Xi is 4 times than that of BaCl2. So, pi of XY is equal to 4 into pi of BaCl2. Now, in place of pi of XY, we write I into CRT, and in case of pi of BaCl2, we write 4 into I into CRT. So, concentration of XY becomes 6.6 into 10 to the minus 2 mole liter inverse. So, option D is the right option. My next question is, what would be the molarity of 20% aqueous solution of Ki mass by mass, given molecular weight of Ki is 166? This question came in JEE Main 2019 exam. Now the options are 1.48, option B 1.51, option B 1.35, and option 4 1.08. Now the answer is, according to question, water present 80 gram and Ky present 20 gram. We know from VMS rule, when 1000 ml solution contain 166 gram Ki, then strength become 1 molar. By calculation, when 80 ml solution contain 20 gram of Ki, then solution strength become 1.506 m. So, which is near about option B is the correct one, which is 1.51. So the correct option is here option B. In this video, the last question is, when 18 gram glucose is added to 178.2 gram water, then what will the vapor pressure of the produced solution? Here, answer of the pressure is expressed in torr unit. Given vapor pressure of pure water is 760 torr. Now the answer is, according to questions, W1 is 178.2 gram and molecular weight of water is 18, and W2 is 18 gram, where molecular weight of glucose is 180. P0 is 760 torr and P is unknown. Putting all the terms in this equation, we get the values of P is 752.4 torr. That is option B is the correct option. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this type of video, then please subscribe the channel and like, share and comments the video and press the bell icon in the bottom. Thank you everybody.